Yeah, today we are discussing about the Neecha Bhanga Rajayoga. This is a horoscope of late years president. So Neecha Bhanga Rajayoga means actually it is a cancellation of debilitation of a planet. So planet is weak, but its weakness is cancelled, and then it give rise to Rajayoga. This is something similar like two minuses makes a plus, right? Or in an analogy to active immunity, we can say that if a person is exposed to a particular kind of disease, then in the future when he's exposed to that disease, then his body recognizes it and makes antibodies to fight with it, right? So it becomes a lifelong immunity, right? So similarly in Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga, it will give some problems to the jatak or problems to the native at the beginning, but later afterwards it will teach the native how to fight against these difficulties, right? It will teach the native how to debilitate the difficulties, so it becomes a very powerful Raja Yoga. He becomes a king, like a king, more powerful than a normal Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga means something like a king. Raja means king, but nowadays there is no kingdom, so we can say it's a very powerfully auspicious yoga, right? And person with Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga will work as an independent, a freelancer, or he will be a very minister, or he will rise through his own efforts, right? He will not be interested in working under someone else. So this is what Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga means, right? So this is the horoscope of the president, and we can see that his sun is debilitated here. You see, it's debilitated. Sun in Libra is weak, very weak, right? But you see the exaltation sign of the sun is Aries, right? Aries, and you see its lord, Aries lord Mars is in 10th. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th. So this is a combination of Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga. The sun's exaltation sign dispositor is in the Kendra to the Lagna. So this is the combination. So there are many other combinations which give rise to Neecha Bhanga, but in this horoscope we are considering this combination, right? And so this is sun's Neecha debilitation has become cancelled, and it has given rise to Raja Yoga. He is the president of United States, right? Ex-president of United States. And one more thing, this is out of top scope of discussion. This president died due to an heart attack, right? He died due to an heart attack. So you can see that his fourth house, representing the heart, is heavily afflicted by the Mars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Heavily afflicted by the Mars. It's a sure sign of heart attack. Sure sign, no doubt, no more, no less. Heart attack. So he died due to an heart attack, cardiac arrest. This is not the scope of discussion here. We are only discussing about Neecha Bhanga, but I just thought to give an indication about this. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.